code I have specified draw functions, which is a function to use for drawing various different shape. Draw function as rectangle drawing, things, circle drawing, polygon drawing, or line which can be drawn from it. There are also things which can draw quadrilateral and many different shapes which are available in mathematics. We can draw these from the draw method which we have in Pygame. I have set the colors here, and the display screen which is used for displaying the colors, and the quit function which I have shown you previously in the basics, which will close the game. Now let us see the events which can be done here. Events is basically the thing which the user will be giving us, and on the basis of user's action we will be using it to perform some of the different things in our game. Now here, if you can see, this will print the respective output on the key press. Now here is something black screen which is visible to you, but when we look in the terminal, when I will be pressing the 0 button, it will be outputting, hey, you press the key 0. But when I will be pressing the key 1, it will be saying doing whatever. So here I press 0. Whenever I press 0, if you can hear and don't know the key press sound, whenever I press 0 it says this, but when I press 1 it starts saying doing whatever. So now let's close this and move forward. The final thing which is very most important while developing a game is the audio, which I have already told you while presenting. So we will see how we can play audio in our games. I don't know whether you guys are able to hear or not the audio, but when the screen is loaded, the audio which I have specified here, which is basically the snake audio which I have used in the game, starts playing here. I guess you guys might not be able to see this because I am using mic to record the video, so it might not be able to take the desktop audio sound. Now these are the important basics which you can use while developing games. There are many more which you can find on the Pygame official website. There is a search box. Whenever you face any error, you can type the error or the thing you are facing error with directly in the search box, and it will display